Assalamualaikum grade 7. Hopefully you all will be fine and you have done all of the work I have told you in my previous lectures. Today date is 5th September 2020. It's my 25th lecture and day is Saturday. Today I am going to tell you how to do comprehension. Comprehension is a paragraph. See, you have to read the paragraph and then the questions are given from the paragraph and you have to find the answers of these questions from this paragraph. So you have to learn the paragraph or read the paragraph 2 times or 3 times so that you can understand it fully, then find the answers of the questions. In this paragraph the questions are given and then the answers are also given from the paragraph. It is just for your practice so you can understand how you do comprehension passage. A passage will be given in your exam. It is not compulsory that this passage will come. Any passage, any comprehension passage can come and you have to read the passage, understand it and then find the answers from the paragraph, from the passage. See, King Robert Bruce ruled over Scotland. So it is about a king who is ruling over Scotland. He had been defeated many times by the English. So by the English people he has defeated many times. यानी बहुत दफ़ा उसे इंग्लिश यानी जो अंग्रेज़ थे उन्होंने शिकस्त दी थी. और किंग ब्रूस जो है स्कॉटलैंड का बादशाह था. He was a ruler or the king of the Scotland. He ran for his life and hid himself in a cave. So when he was defeated from England, he hid in a cave to save his life. यानी अपनी ज़िंदगी बचाने के लिए वो एक गार में जो है छुप गया. He had lost all hope to win and he was very disheartened. He thought that he will never win. As he lay there thinking if he should give up his struggle or not. So he was just lying in the cave and he was thinking that he should give up his struggle यानी उसे हार मान जाना चाहिए या फिर उसे दोबारा से जंग करनी चाहिए. He saw a spider trying to reach its cobweb in the ceiling of the cave. Ceiling means the roof of the cave यानी जो कार की छत थी उस पर मकड़ी ने जाला बनाया हुआ था. वो मकड़ी स्पाइडर जो है उसमें पहुंचने की कोशिश कर रही थी. It fell down again and again but did not give up its effort. So the spider was trying to go in its web but he fell again and again. But the spider is not giving up. At last the little insect reached its home in its 9th attempt. So in its 9th attempt the little spider has reached in its web. This gave courage to King Bruce. He made up his mind to fight and this time he won the battle. And at last this gave a lesson to King Bruce that he should not give up. He should try again to win the battle and he made his mind to fight the battle again, to do any battle again and this time he won the battle. आखिरकार उसने जंग जीत ली. By whom had King Bruce been defeated by many times? It is easy. He had been defeated many times by the English. Where did he hide himself? He hid himself in a cave. What did he see in the cave? He saw a spider. He saw a spider trying to reach its cobweb in the ceiling of the cave. After how many attempts did the spider reach? The spider reached in its 9th attempt. In its 9th attempt. What lesson did King Bruce learn from the spider? So King Bruce learned the lesson from the spider that try again till you succeed. The answer is also shown here, but you can find the answer from the passage. Try to find the answer from the passage. It is your activity. I am giving you home task. I am giving you the clear image of this paragraph and just the questions, not the answer. You have to just read the paragraph and find the answer from the paragraph to your own. It is your work. Allah Hafiz class.